Hi everybody and welcome to the top FPV videos of the week. I am your host Ken Nehrus, and today we got some of the top FPV videos from across the internet. But first we're going to start you out with a special event announcement. Once again, we would like to let you know pilots and drones will be a part of the City of STEM at the Columbia Space Center in Downey, California, April 2nd from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. We're going to have a drone race, a flying piñata parade, and more. Now back to the show. We got Matt Raymond starting us off today. What a spectacular video we have, folks. Have you ever seen a drone race through an airplane? That's right, Matt has got a drone race at the National Air Force Museum. Check it out. Whoa, Matt, that's what I'm talking about. You are pushing the limits, baby. Let's give props to Matt as well. His video was shared by the Air Force on their Facebook page. Be sure to check him out at MFRFPV on YouTube. Next up, we got a great smooth coastal video from George Ashcroft. Check him out.
Time has come, step into shadows, army of one. You got no savior, nowhere to run, but you're born to face it, and the war's begun. This gon' be madness, this gon' be madness, not taking no chances. This gon' be madness, walking through the ashes, I'm carrying matches. This gon' be madness, this gon' be madness.
Oh, George, that video makes me ready for vacation already. Take me to a better place. That's what I'm talking about. You could check out George at GCR Ashcroft on Twitter. Instagram and TikTok. Well, that's going to do it for us on this episode of Top FPV Videos of the Week. Be sure to click that like and subscribe button. And be sure to always just send it